Okay, the firearm is disassembled. I mean, it's unloaded. Nothing in the chamber. Nothing in the mag. And mine does have the modification where you can drop everything back. And you're going to need the hammer pull back for the disassembly. This is the easier way to disassemble. Here, take these little things right here. Pull them up. Pull the barrel just a little bit here. Hold the barrel right there. And pull the slide back. And lock it. Now the slide's right back. Then take the barrel right off. It compresses the spring in there. Then you can just easily just pull this out right there. In. It's off. To put it back together, leave it right there. Put the barrel on top of it, facing backwards, like this right here. Pull the slide back all the way. Engage the safety. The slide lock. Take the barrel off. The spring is back decompressed. Put the barrel down in it. Snap closed. And it's done. Very easy disassembly of the Phoenix Arms.